My name is Megha Tyagi, and in the light of United Nations campaign called 16 Days of Activism Against Gender-Based Violence, I'm here to talk about it. Now, statistics say that 1 out of every 3 women have faced violence of some sort in their lives. It could be physical, sexual, or even psychological. Now, when I would like to point out here that this all happens behind closed doors. Mostly people do not report it. So this is a big problem. We see it happening all around us. Sometimes we may see it happening within our walls. Sometimes we may see it happening with a friend in our house. Sometimes in a neighbor's house, with our domestic helps in their own houses. So this is a problem. But when we choose not to talk about it, not to address it, not to do anything about it, is when we make it even a bigger one. The roots of gender-based violence against women have been historic. It has been happening for a long time. We need all hands on deck. We need men as our allies. We need something serious action. Some serious actions need to be taken towards it. No tolerance should be shown towards it. We say that if it's or some might say that if it's not happening to us, then it's not our business. But being a woman, if it's happening to a woman around me, if it's happening to women around me, then it is my business. Being a human, if somebody's human rights are getting violated, then it is my business. Being a part of the society, if I see that the society around me is crumbling with patriarchal ideas, then it is my business. We need to make it our business. We need to do something about it. We need to talk about it. It's high time. We should not be in denial. Every voice counts. Every step counts, no matter how small it is. So let us all make our steps counted.